God bless you. God bless you. That was a big sneeze, Tommy. That was a big sneeze. Come here. Come here. Come on. Tommy, come to Mama. Oh yeah, just play with the garbage can. Come to Mama. Oh, look how tall you are. You can put your hand on top now. Oh, Downsy Daisy. Did that open up? No, no, no. Tommy. Tommy, no, no, no. Nope, 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 nope. Of course. Of course. Come on. Come on, let's go in here. Oops. Oh, is that a present? Is that for you? Is that for you, Tommy? Oh, look at that. That's right, because you're almost one. You're going to be one in a couple of weeks. Oh, I guess we're done with the present. Should we go back and see Daddy? You got Scout? Oh, good. Okay, yeah, let's take Scout into the kitchen.
Oh, you gonna walk by?
Whoops! Downsy Daisy.
House.
There. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, just get back up, huh?